Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Close Iracing and open Windows Display Settings to identify the monitor number you want Iracing to use. Make that display primary if possible. Iracing prefers the primary output. Update GPU drivers first, because driver quirks break monitor switching. Once done, note the monitor index and any adapter chain, USB, DisplayPort DAisy, or HDMI, so you can match it inside Iracing's options and avoid guessing when the game boots. With the sim open, go to Options, then Graphics, then Display. In that menu, you must pick the exact monitor entry, match the name and index you noted. Choose full screen for best performance. Windowed full screen works if you need overlays. Match the resolution and refresh rate to Windows to prevent mode switches. Once selected, apply changes and let the game reinitialize the render. This forces the GPU and Iracing to bind to the new output rather than fall back to a generic adapter. Finish by restarting Iracing if the change didn't take immediately. A full restart ensures the renderer binds correctly. Once loaded, verify HUD placement and camera focus. Make small FOV or position tweaks so gauges aren't off-center. If the sim still uses the wrong screen, open your GPU control panel and assign the game to the correct GPU output, or unplug and replug the cables in the desired port. This often resolves stubborn monitor index conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.